If you stumble across this video on my YouTube channel, it won't hurt you. If you are in Kin 4363, you're in the right spot. This is our assignment number 2. And so for success, I have our textbook and I have our assignment up. And so this assignment covers chapter 1, get this going. And so chapter 1 is standard protocol, right? Defines exercise psychology. I might have to put my glasses on so that it's all a blur. Talks about, for everybody in this class, almost everybody's probably had Dr. Smith for 3318. So it's going to separate sports psychology and exercise psychology. Here's where the divide starts. And I lived through that divide given my age, where it was sports psychology, motor behavior. Then sports psychology, motor behavior could be on their own. Then sports psychology and exercise psychology started to get mixed up. And then exercise psychology from the 80s, easily the 90s on, became its own topic in its own class. It talks about some history, gives a little bit of history. Fitness craze, I lived through that. I can recall my mom. I was born in the 60s, so I rode my banana bike alongside my mom during the running boom, fitness craze of the 70s. Sure, her Blue Brooks running shoes, I don't know what they cost on eBay. They cost a mint. We had all of it. And so there's a little brief history. And as the semester goes on, I'll talk more and more and more, and probably wear you out about it. Some of the stuff has gone from, sports psychology, then there's exercise psychology, and now it's neuroscience. The mind, the body, physical activity, mind, how it works is neuroscience. And the more technology there is, the further from exercise science the field actually moves. For good or bad, I don't know if it's a good thing, but it moves. It moves far away from the home base of kinesiology. Then it talks about why it's important. In our assignment 3, we'll get a lot more into physical activity trends, epidemiology. And then the last part of that chapter, which is short, talks about journals, which are important, very important. And then it talks about 12 different societies that are listed that you could be a part of, learn about, and be a member of. I've done that for a lifetime, feels like. And so I close the book, and then I look at our assignment, and there's 3 parts to it, and we're rolling. We had that small bump in the road where our blackboard was up at upper level of blackboard. It was merged and then unmerged, and then we lost everybody's assignments. But we're almost on a roll. And so, ask about your background. I have a background. Your background might just be Dr. Smith. It asks you about 3 important questions that you think you'd love to have answered or love to explore. And then last is about the societies, to look up a society and learn about it and write a little bit about it. And last year might have been the first time I did this part of the assignment, and it was surprising of which societies you all choose, or your classmates a year ago chose. And so I look forward to looking at that and seeing what you think. That's it. It's week 2 already.